And good morning, class. Today we're going to teach you a native Navajo folk song that was sung while they were forced to leave their native lands by the early settlers. The song is called Joe Ashila, and it's about a song that translates to walking together, and it sounds like this. You follow along in the lyric sheet, please. And that's about as far as we're going to get today. As far as the entirety of the song breaks up into 6 parts in 2 phrases. Those same 2 phrases just keep repeating the entire time, and that's what composes the vast majority of it. You can almost see it as verse and chorus. Something distinct about this song is that it's 3/4 meter, so when you're counting it out, you'll notice that by line, these are separated by beat. So Joe Ashila, Joe Ashila, Joe Ashila, hey oh 3/4. Goes from that 3 repetitions of 3 beats to 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of out of nowhere. Gives it an offset feeling and kind of keeps you on your toes. Makes you have to count out and pay attention in your head. The song itself is super easy. It's I'm required to show you guys in a falsetto for female voices. The Joe Ashila, Joe Ashila, Joe Ashila, hey onga toga nizani go bazola hey neo. And to learn this, we'll go ahead and echo the melodic phrases. But first, and most importantly, is the hard part, the pronunciation. For the hardest pronunciations, the second half, I put the spelled out versions. Toga nizani go. Sorry. Toga nizani go. Bahozo lahea he ne nia. Is that pretty simple? It looks a lot more difficult than it is, so the spelled out version sometimes helps. So let's go ahead and jump right into the melodic echo. So I'll sing the first phrase that I want you guys to copy, and then I'll count you off, and you'll just mimic the same thing I sang, okay? Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2, ready. Joe Ashila, Joe Ashila, Joe Ashila, hey yonga. 1, 2, sing with me. Joe Ashila, Joe Ashila, Joe Ashila, hey yonga. 1, 2, try it on your own. Joe Ashila, Joe Ashila, Joe Ashila, hey yonga. Now we're going to go to the second phrase. Toga nizani go, bahozo lahea he nea. 1, 2, try and sing with me. Toga nizani go, bahozo lahea he nea. Let's try and slow that one down and focus on that one line. Those gallopy dun 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 dun. That can be kind of tricky with the pronunciation, yeah? So it'll go toga nizani go, bahozo lahea he. Try that much. Toga nizani go, bahozo lahea he nea. Very good. Excellent work of catching those 16th notes. Let's try and put the 2 phrases together and sing that much together. Do, there's the note you're going to start on. From the top, 1, 2, ready, go. Jo ashila, jo ashila, jo ashila, hey unga. Toga nizani go, bahozora heya hey neya. Toga nizani go, bahozora heya hey neya. Very good, very good. You guys are catching on to the pitches, you're catching on to the rhythms, and the pronunciations are coming out just fine. The last part of the song we're going to look at is this line, the top section on your lyric sheet, repeats just the same way that I mistakenly repeated the second part. Still repeats, but I forgot to tell you guys. Sorry about that. But both of these repeat twice each, and that's as far as we're going to go. Okay. So let's try this together, and then we're going to see if you guys can do this on your own. I'll just sit back and play the ukulele for you guys. We're going to go to the front of your seats, get some good singing posture, feet flat on the floor, get some good, strong breath support for you wonderful vocalists. 1, 2, ready with me. Jo ashila, jo ashila, jo ashila, hey unga. Jo ashila, jo ashila, jo ashila, hey unga. Toga nizani go, bahozora heya hey neya. Toga nizani go, bahozora heya hey neya. Very good, very good. We're going to do that same thing, and this time I'm just going to listen to you guys sing that out and do the best you can. Final performance. Show this off for all your adoring, wonderful fans.
I see.
Do, 1, 2, let's give it a shot.
Jo ashila, jo ashila, jo ashila, hey unga. Jo ashila, jo ashila, jo ashila, hey unga. Toga nizani go, bahozora heya hey neya. Toga nizani go, bahozora heya hey neya.
Excellent. Things you could teach with that whole song. Simple though it may be, there are a lot of subtly complicated things. The 16th notes that came in that second phrase are going to be a serious challenge, even for 4th graders at this level. So that's a great rhythmic element and concept to work in addition to the fact that this whole piece, despite how easy it was to learn, alternates between 3 separate time signatures constantly. And for little kids, that could be a serious challenge. And even then, it's a musical style, and you can implement the cultural concepts, the rhythmic elements, the meters. All of that fits wonderfully into a nice segment and can be great for young students. Thank you for being students today, and I hope that was beneficial.